students, I am going to do question number 6 of exercise 9.1. Find the value of x in this question. Okay, before doing this question, I am going to tell you one property of a triangle. You know very well, this is a triangle ABC. If two sides of a triangle are equal, this symbol shows that this side AB is equal to AC. If AB is equal to AC, then their opposite angles will also be equal. Means angles opposite to equal sides are also equal. This is one of the property of a triangle. Okay, if AB is equal to AC, then side angle opposite to side AB is C. So angle C as angle opposite to side AC is B. So angle C will be equal to B. And which is this property? Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Clear? Angles opposite to equal sides are also equal. Or converse of this property is also true. If angles are equal, then their opposite sides are also equal. For example, if this is triangle PQR, these two sides are equal. The symbol shows that these two sides are equal. It means if these two sides are equal, then their opposite angles will also be equal. The angle opposite to QR is P. Angle opposite to PR is Q. It means angle P will be equal to angle Q. Okay? This property is clear to you. Now we will use this property in solving this question. See. Now here this symbol shows that side AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC. That is given to you. So if these two sides are equal, so their opposite angles will also be equal. So therefore angle C will be equal to B. Angle opposite to AC is B and angle opposite to AB is C. But you have to write the reason. In geometry, you have to write the reason of each and every step. So what will you write? Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Okay. So angle B is 70 degree. That is given. And B is equal to C. C is angle X. So therefore angle C will also be 70 degree. Clear? Now I am going to take next part of this question. Second part. In second part, the figure is like this. Right angle triangle is given to you. Okay. These two sides are equal. This angle is 45 degree and this is X. This is 90 degree and this is 45 degree. Now you can see this side is equal to this side. So angle opposite to these sides are also equal. The angle opposite to AB is C and angle opposite to BC is A. It means angle C will be equal to angle A. Angle A is 45 degree. So angle C will also be 45 degree because AB is equal to BC. This is given to you. So therefore, yes, AB, angle opposite to AB is C Angle opposite to BC is A. So therefore angle C will be equal to angle A. So what will you write? Angles with same reason. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Now A is 45 degree. That is given. So therefore angle C will also be 45 degree. Clear?